Consider a charge oscillating with some frequency. The oscillating charge produces an oscillating electric field in space, which produces an oscillating magnetic field. The oscillating electric and magnetic field regenerates each other as the wave propagates through space. These waves are called as electromagnetic waves. The electric and magnetic field are in the same phase. They are perpendicular to each other and to the direction of propagation of the wave. The classification of electromagnetic waves according to their frequency is called electromagnetic spectrum. The different types of electromagnetic waves are as follows.
Radio waves. Radio waves are electromagnetic waves that have wavelength between 1 millimeter and 100 km. Radio waves are a type of electromagnetic radiation with wavelength in the electromagnetic spectrum longer than infrared light. Like all other electromagnetic waves, radio waves travel at the speed of light. Naturally occurring radio waves are made by lightning or by astronomical objects. Artificially generated radio waves are used for fixed and mobile radio communication, broadcasting, radar, and other navigation systems. Computer satellites, computer network, and innumerable other applications. Different frequencies of radio waves have different propagation character in the Earth's atmosphere. Longer waves may cover a part of Earth very consistently. Shorter waves can reflect off the ionosphere and travels around the world. And much shorter waves bend or reflect very little and travels on a line of sight. Types of radio waves. Radio waves have many uses. The category is divided into many subcategories, including microwaves and electromagnetic waves used for AM and FM radio, cellular telephones, and TV. Application. The lowest commonly encountered radio frequency are produced by high voltage AC power transmission line of frequency of 50 or 60 Hz. These extremely long wavelength electromagnetic waves are one mean of energy loss in the long distance power transmission. Microwaves. Microwaves are defined as electromagnetic radiation. The microwave radiation is commonly referred to as microwaves. They fall between the infrared radiation and radio waves in the electromagnetic spectrum. A few of the properties of microwaves are as follows. Metal surface reflect microwaves. Microwaves with certain wavelength passes through the Earth's atmosphere and can be useful in transmitting information to and from satellites in orbit. Hence, the satellite dishes are made of metal as they reflect microwaves as well. Application of microwaves. The uses of microwaves are similar to that of radio waves. They are used in communication, radio astronomy, remoting sensing, rather, of course, owing to their heating application. They are used in cooking as well as. Why do mobile phones use microwaves? Because microwaves can even be generated with help of small antennas, so the mobile phones need not be of large size.
Infrared rays. Infrared waves are produced by hot bodies and molecules. This band lies adjacent to the low frequency or long wavelength end of the visible spectrum. Infrared waves are sometimes referred to as heat waves. This is because water molecules present in most materials readily absorb infrared waves. After absorption, their thermal motion increases, that is, they heat up and heat the surroundings. Infrared radiation also plays an important role in maintaining the Earth's warmth or average temperature through the greenhouse effect. Wavelength 1 mm to 700 nanometer. Frequency range 430 terahertz down to 300 gigahertz. Source: all hot bodies and vibrations of atoms and molecules. Discovered by William Herschel. Properties: infrared waves have longer wavelength than visible light and can pass through dense regions of gas and dust in space with less scattering and absorption. Uses: infrared light is used in electrical heaters. It is also used for short range communication like remote controls, optical fibers, and security systems. It is also used for making thermal imaging cameras which detect people in the dark. Infrared detectors are used in Earth satellite, both for military purpose and to observe growth of crops. Visible rays. It is the most familiar form of electromagnetic waves. It is the part of the spectrum that is detected by the human eye. Visible light emitted or reflected from objects around us provide us information about the world. Our eyes are sensitive to this range of wavelengths. For example, snakes can detect infrared waves, and the visible range of many insects extends well into the ultraviolet. Frequency: 4 into 10 raised to 14 Hz to 7 into 10 raised to 14 Hz. Wavelength range: 700 nanometer to 400 nanometer. Sources: electrons in atom emit light when they move from one energy level to a lower energy level. Discovered by Isaac Newton. Properties: the primary property of visible light are intensity, propagation, direction, frequency or wavelength spectrum, and polarization, while its speed in a vacuum is one of the fundamental constants of nature. Visible light, as with all types of electromagnetic radiations, is experimentally found to always move at this speed in a vacuum. Uses: we concentrate visible light to make lasers to use in everything from surgery to CD players to laser pointers. Visible light waves also make our TV, computer, and cell phone screen work. Visible light image is used to see clouds and help predict the weather.
UV rays. It covers wavelength ranging from about 4 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter down to 6 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. It is produced by special lamps and very hot bodies. The sun is an important source of UV light. Most of it is absorbed in ozone layer in the atmosphere in an altitude of about 40 to 50 km. UV light in large quantities has harmful effects on human. UV radiation is absorbed by ordinary glass. Hence, one cannot get tanned or sunburned through glass windows. Due to its shorter wavelength, UV radiation can be focused into very narrow beams for high precision applications such as LASIK eye surgery. UV lamps are used to kill germs in water purifier.
X-rays. These EM waves have wavelength just shorter than ultraviolet light. As X-rays can pass through many forms of matter, so they have many useful medical and industrial applications. Let us discuss the properties of X-rays. Wavelength, that's its 10 raised to a ampere to 0.1 ampere. Frequency range 10 raised to 18 Hz to 10 raised to 20 Hz. Source: sudden deceleration of fast moving electrons by a metal target. Discovered by Rankin in 1895. Properties: effect on photographic plate, ionization of gases, photoelectric effect, fluorescence, more energetic than UV rays. Uses of X-rays. In medical diagnosis, because X-rays can pass through flesh but not through bones. In the study of crystals, structure-based X-rays can be reflected and diffracted by crystals. In engineering, for detecting faults, cracks, flaws and holes in the finished metal products. In detective departments, to detect explosives, diamond, gold, etc. in possessions of smugglers. In radiotherapy, to cure untrackable skin diseases and malignant growths. Gamma rays. These are EM radiation of highest frequency range and lowest wavelength range. These are most penetrating EM waves. Gamma rays. These are EM radiation of highest frequency range and lowest wavelength range. These are most penetrating EM waves. Let us discuss the properties of gamma rays. Wavelength 10 raised to minus 14 m, 10 raised to minus 14 meter. Frequency range 10 raised to 18 Hz to 10 raised to 22 Hz. Source radioactive nuclei and nuclear reactions. CO60 is a pure gamma ray source. Discovered by Henry Buernel in 1896. Properties: effect on photographic plate, fluorescence, ionization, diffraction, high penetrating power. Uses of gamma rays in radiotherapy for the treatment of malignant tumors, in the manufacture of polyethylene from ethylene, to initiate some nuclear reactions, to preserve foodstuffs for a long time because soft gamma rays can kill microorganisms, to study the structure of atomic nuclei.